Today I am replacing the chuck on my Makita XFD13. I already cut the old chuck off of here. That thing, it was stuck on there. I got this one. It's a nice all-metal chuck. It's a Jacobs brand. That's the part number right there. I got this from Ace Hardware. Looks to be fairly universal. DeWalt, Black & Decker, Makita, Milwaukee, Bosch, Craftsman. I think that was about $38. Was able to pick that up in store, very convenient. Didn't have to wait on, say, like Amazon. Seems to be pretty decent quality. And I'm using these to fix it down. Whenever I was trying to hunt down a new screw, the screw that I had in there was just too far gone. I had to drill it out and cut the chuck off, actually. So I ordered these off of Amazon yesterday and got them today. They're let's see if I can get that. They're M6 by 20 left-hand thread. And let's get that on there. Open that all the way. Drop that in there. There we go. Get a battery in there. That's it. Just like new. Just a universal chuck in the Makita XFD13. Just like new. On Amazon, I got a pack of 8 of these for I think $9 with Prime shipping. Anywhere else I try to find left-handed threads, whether it be an auto parts store or even a hardware store, can't find them. And you can find the exact screw on pretty much any repair website, and with shipping comes out to like $10. These right here, and I'll show that again, right there, that number, and I'll post a link in the description as well. These, just fine. The regular screw is an M6 by 22. This is an M6 by 20. Works perfectly fine.